Morning. Right, you guys said you wanted to see a bit of mechanic-y stuff, so a bit of mechanic-y stuff we shall do. Ooh. Oh, where's that gone? There's that gone. Ah. Yeah, need them. Now where's the grinder? Right, hello. So, what we're up to today? You guys said, Ed, you'd be quite happy to see a bit more of mechanic-y stuff. So, I'll be honest, I was supposed to get to him start of the week. We're on Saturday, and yeah, everything's just not quite gone according to plan. But hey ho, such is the way. So, a mate of mine, he's got a hoof trimming business, and he's got a few parts of his crush that are trying to fall apart. So down there in the bottom we have a load of welding rods. I've got my heating on full whack, trying to just warm them up. I know an oven's better, but we work with the tools we've got. So if you actually watch this, then well, he didn't mind me filming repairing his crush, and probably be a little plug in there for him as well. Don't forget, if you do enjoy this one, grab your thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe if you do enjoy the channel. We have the shop with the merchandise as well with all the nice stuff my wife makes. That'll be in the description. There'll be a link there to click on to go have a look at that, as well with a link to the two channels I'm trying to help push the end of this year. ANTONY Farming down in Cornwall and CASTO up in Yorkshire. Right, I better get going. Right, so we're not an overly complicated job on this, but yeah, we've talked through it and sort of worked it all out. Job one, this bar is for the cable to keep it out of the way of the cows, and basically the bolt's gone, it's loose and wiggling around. So quite simply, grind, two little tacks, maybe a tack underneath, nice and easy. Job two on the crush, can we see it? Down here, that piece is cracked off. So again, nice and simple, grind it up, V it out, and weld it up. And we'll go have a look at the main. So the main bit is this. He's been very kind and taken it off me and put it in the garage so I can work in the dry. He's a good lad, isn't he? So we've got many points of issue here. This is bent back, and you can see it's cracking out here. So what we're going to do with this bit, try and get it back a bit straighter, V out here and here, and we're also going to drill a little hole at the end of each crack to stop the crack spreading any further. We have two cracks coming here and here. Again, grind it out, V it out. We'll drill a little hole here, and I think we're going to drill a little hole here and here, and then we can weld that back up. And somewhere else. Back here, you can just see on them two strengthening points, it's just starting to crack through there as well. So again, grind out, V out best we can. Probably going to V that right to the end and weld that right to the end, whereas that we'll just drill two little holes again just to stop the crack spreading. That's the job. I suppose I better get on with it. Right, so we've got these bits ground up now. Didn't bother showing show you maybe a bit more when we do the grinding at the not the same, but nice clean metal, especially with being galvanised. You've got to get all the galvanised off. You're never going to get a good weld on it. Get up there. A little point, might find it weird the fact that I went up the yard to get my welding leads. Well, the earth clamp's not great, but my rod holder, it's seen better days. I was actually using it yesterday and the connection point was that bad it actually gave up, hence the reason I've had to smash that out, because it's the only way I can get at it to redo it, because it's all. But on the plus side, we've got the leads from the old welder. Good lad brought me a cup of coffee out, so I can get these bits stitched up and then we'll crack on to the main part. There'll be a bit of work in that other bit. Right, so that's the easy bits done. That's now tacked on and won't go anywhere. And not pretty as well, but that is well attached. I've done those with both the 70-18 rods. Good rods for down and weld, but they're a bit knacky to use. Well, won't go into that on this video. Might go into it in another video more about the rods I use, but next job, a bit in the garage. So that's it. All welded up. A little bit of nice good weld in here. Nice good weld along there. You can see that's the back of those two welds. It is cool enough to touch. Right. On this side, welded across the back of there. Get rid of the slack off it so it looks tidy. And we've come across and welded on them what's the name? So it didn't turn out to be the big job I thought it was. Can't complain. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed that little bit of a mechanic-y, fabricate-y sort of job. I'll say the lads that were doing it for, I've known him for, probably known him over 10 years really. We used to work together at the same farm. He was her manager, I was the man that repaired all the stuff that her manager broke. Used to go there one day a week, sort of basically maintenance and repair sort of stuff mainly. Don't work together anymore because the farmer gave up the cows, which obviously didn't need a manager anymore, and because the farm mums are busy, didn't need somebody to keep repairing everything. Yeah, it's been great to catch up with him. Not seen him this year, partly because of the whole COVID thing, partly just because paths hadn't crossed. So yeah, it's nice that he sort of remembers me and sort of, well, wants a bit of work my way, and he gets a job done to a standard. I'll say it's a good standard. But anyway, this is now really the end of the video. One thing I was going to say before we go, just a bit about a chainless plug. If you go down there into the description, hopefully, if he remembers and sends it me, there will be a link to, I think, not sure whether it's Facebook page or what. So if you're based in Cheshire and you're looking for a hoof trimmer, he gets a big grubby thumbs up from H's Agri. So that's it, end of the video. I'm wobbling on for the sheer hell of it now, and you're probably just wishing I'd be quiet. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it, and see you soon.